Details are a key part of any design when it comes to construction documents. Oftentimes, you will need to make an enlargement to show a specific section in greater detail. Accurate scale and dimensions are critical, and the Detail Enlargement tool will simplify the process. If you are adding an enlargement to an existing detail, then chances are you will need to place a new template in order to accommodate the enlargement. To do this, simply delete the existing template and take note of the scale. Then navigate to the Template tool in the FX Detail ribbon. Once opened, you can see on the right that you have the option to choose a scale. As you can see, this is the same size template we already have. In order to modify it on the fly, you can use the keyboard commands. Pressing K will bring up the commands. Let's see these in action. Now you can see that the Q and E keys will toggle through smaller and larger scales, while the A and D keys will allow you to toggle through narrower and wider formats without changing the scale. If these don't fit appropriately, then you can use the Z and C keys to add incremental extensions, allowing you to find the perfect fit. Now you have a template at the same scale, but more space for the enlargements. It's time to rearrange things accordingly. With everything arranged, navigate to the Enlargements tool in the FX Detail ribbon. Here you will see two options, Polyline and Circle enlargements. To place a circle enlargement, simply choose the circle option and follow the prompts in the command line. As you can see, it is prompting for the specification of the center point of the circle. Navigate to the area that you want to enlarge, specify the center point by clicking, and then drag the circle to your desired size. When you click a second time, you will now be able to adjust the enlargement on the fly by using the Q and E keys to adjust the scale of the enlargement. Once satisfied, all you need to do is finalize it with one more click. If any line work or hatches fall outside the enlargement boundary, simply clean them up by using the Trim tool. Adding a polyline enlargement is also a breeze. Navigate to the Enlargement tool and choose Polyline. This time, you are prompted to select the points of your shape. Once your shape is drawn, you can right-click or hit Enter to place the enlargement. Just like when placing the circle enlargement, you can toggle between scales with the Q and E keys. One last click and the enlargement is placed. Go ahead and trim up any protruding lines. The final method of placing an enlargement is to use an existing polyline as the boundary. To do this, navigate back to the Enlargement tool and select the Polyline option again. In the command line, you will notice you have the option to press S. Doing so will allow you to select a polyline rather than drawing your own. From here, simply choose your desired polyline and the rest of the process is the same. Simply place the enlargement and arrange anything to your preference. Now that there are multiple enlargements, you can go ahead and dimension them. To do this, go ahead and navigate to the Dimension tool in the FX Detail ribbon and select the appropriate dimension type. For this demonstration, we will first place a dimension in the drawing, and then the same dimension in the enlargement. You can see that the dimensions match in the enlargement and the drawing. Even though they are different sizes, the dimensions read correctly. Make the Detail Enlargement task fun again with Land Effects. For more videos like the one you just watched, head on over to landeffects.com/powertips.